Hello, Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Ghulam Fareed. I have been working as a training instructor at AMC Talk from the past 3 years. I have trained many students at AMC Talk. They are successfully helping the brands and projects to grow. AMC Talk's Amazon experts have helped hundreds of Amazon sellers grow their business and eventually got the 100% satisfaction. After giving many successful projects, I have realized that we have less women working in this business. So, our team has started a program specifically for women. They can easily work from home. Take your step towards the right path and join us on AMZ Talk. At the end, I can say, come to learn and lead the future. Don't believe in exceptional, create exceptional. Take your step towards the right path and join our AMZ Talk team.